This video shows you how to create and manage data for maintenance technicians and subcontractors who will be assigned to complete maintenance work orders. Though this example is done with the web edition, the interface and steps for standard and professional editions are similar. Click on People in the Main tab on the home page. You will see a list of maintenance personnel and subcontractors, if any are defined in the system. You can add a new entry or edit existing entries. Let's open the entry for Brown Jane. You have a variety of fields you can enter information. Make sure to enter an hourly rate, since FastMaint can use this to calculate the labor cost of a work order. You should also enter an email or SMS text address so that work orders can be emailed to this person if needed. At any point, click on the Help button. You can see useful information on what to enter in the different fields. Click on the Non-Working Days tab and specify a calendar that this person is on. For example, a day shift or a night shift, and so on. In addition, you can enter any vacation days or other off days for this person. This can be used by FastMaint to check a person's availability when you run the planning report. Click on other tabs to see tasks this person does, as well as work orders assigned to them. If you have defined any custom fields for people, you can also enter them. Once completed, you may save your changes. If you go to the Administration tab in the main home page, you can define custom fields on people. If you go to Groups on this tab, you can restrict users' rights to view or modify people information based on the group they belong to.